Horses out, captain of the sea, best to begin moving a body out, now is Virgin Line. The Fountain and Inter Gio Conti Baler comes next. A Storm Goddess running by the now. Race number 1, Humble Pie, and trailing the group is Amazon. Virgin Line takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Captain of the Sea, the Fountain, and on the outside third. Racing in fourth, Baler, Gio Conti, and Pip. Amazon now in 6. Humble Pie and Storm Goddess. Virgin Line, Captain of the Sea, fighting it out for the leader. The Fountain and entered. Baler is racing in fourth. Virgin Line by half a length. Captain of the Sea. The Fountain Head still racing in third. Baler in fourth. Gio Conti and Amazon. And it's still Virgin Line. Oh, Baler stop running. And it's still Virgin Line by about 2 lengths. Captain of the Sea in second. Then racing in third is the Fountain Head. Here comes Gio Conti and Amazon. With Virgin Line still the leader. Captain of the Sea, Gio Conti, Amazon, the Fountain Head, with Virgin Line now by about 3 lengths. And in second, Captain of the Sea, Gio Conti. Last 50 meters, the horse of Mr. Willie Apan Jr., Virgin Line. Second, close, Captain of the Sea, Gio Conti, Amazon. Then comes number 5, the Fountain Head.
Okay, Bayan Karelista, para sa ating race number 4, ang ating pong unofficial winner. Ito po numero 8, that is Virgin Line, skippered by JG Serrano. Masa segundo, numero 2, Captain of the Sea. Entry number 3.